Hello kids, let's learn letter sounds together. Hello kids, let's learn letter sounds together.
ABC, come sing with me. Listen close and you will see. Every letter has a sound. Phonics fun is all around. A says
A as in apple, apple.
B says
B as in ball, baby ball.
C says
K as in cat, icky cat.
D says
D as in dog, did dog.
E says
A as in egg, egg.
ABC, come sing with me. Listen close and you will see. Every letter has a sound. Phonics fun is all around. F says
A as in fish, F for fish.
G says
J as in goat, G goat.
H says
A as in hat, H hat.
I says
I as in igloo, I-E igloo.
J says
J as in jug, J jug.
ABC, come sing with me. Listen close and you will see. Every letter has a sound. Phonics fun is all around. K says
K as in kite, kite.
L says
L as in lion, lion.
M says
M as in moon, moon.
N says
N as in nest, nest.
O says
O as in orange, orange.
P says
K as in pen, pen.
Q says
Que as in queen, queen.
R says
R as in rabbit, rabbit.
S says
I as in sun, sun.
T says
T as in top, top.
U says
U as in umbrella, umbrella.
V says
V as in van, van.
W says
As in whale, whale.
X says
X as in box, box. I says E, yo.
Z says Z as in zebra, Z zebra.